China, Pakistan, and Afghanistan recently have agreed to expand China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) to Afghanistan, deepening their trilateral cooperation. In today's video, we are going to analyze CPEC and its recent developments in depth. First, let us understand the history of CPEC. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor was launched in 2015 as a flagship project under China's Belt and Road Initiative (BRI), aimed to enhance connectivity and economic integration between China and Pakistan. CPEC focused on infrastructure development, including energy projects, road networks, and the development of Godar Port in Pakistan. On May 2025, China and Pakistan have agreed to extend CPEC into Afghanistan. The expansion has significant geopolitical implications, especially for India, who has opposed CPEC from its inception due to the corridor's route passing through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India views the extension into Afghanistan with suspicion, worrying that it might enhance China's strategic foothold in the region and consolidate Pakistan's influence in Afghan affairs. Pakistan and China have committed to enhancing cooperation in trade, agriculture, industrial development. They also agreed with Afghanistan to extend the CPEC into Afghan territory as part of the Belt and Road Initiative. Now let us understand what will be the impact on India. First, sovereignty concerns intensify. CPEC continues to pass through POK, which India considers its own territory. India sees the corridor and now its extension into Afghanistan as a violation of its sovereignty, further straining India-China and India-Pakistan relations. Second, strategic encirclement, the string of pearls. India fears being strategically encircled by China's growing footprint, from Godar Port in Pakistan to Hambantota in Sri Lanka, and now potentially to Afghanistan. This reinforces the perception of China building a string of pearls to surround India through infrastructure and port developments. Third, reduced influence in Afghanistan. With CPEC's extension, China and Pakistan may fill the strategic vacuum in Afghanistan post-US withdrawal. This marginalizes India's decade-old development and diplomatic engagement in Afghanistan, potentially reducing its political and economic influences there. Fourth, security concerns. Increased Chinese presence near India's western borders may lead to greater militarization and intelligence cooperation between China, Pakistan, and possibly Taliban-led Afghan regime. This raises alarms for Indian defense strategy, especially in Kashmir and Ladakh. Fifth, pressure on regional connectivity projects. India's own regional projects like the Chabahar port in Iran and the international North-South transport corridor may face increased competition. These projects aim to bypass Pakistan for access to Central Asia, but now China, Pakistan, and Afghanistan connectivity may shift trade flows and geopolitical attention. Now let us understand the geopolitical impact on South Asia. China's deepening regional influence with its growing economic and strategic presence in Pakistan and Afghanistan. China is becoming a dominant external power in South Asia, challenging India's traditional sphere of influence. It allows China to better secure its western front and open new land-based access to Middle Eastern and Central Asian markets. Second, new power dynamics in Afghanistan. The inclusion of Afghanistan could lead to a China-Pakistan-Afghanistan axis, shaping the future of infrastructure, trade, and security in the region. However, instability in Afghanistan could also backfire, exposing Chinese projects to the threat of terrorism and insurgency. Third, regional polarization. CPEC expansion may deepen regional rivalries with China, Pakistan, Afghanistan on one side, and India, Iran, or India-US backed strategies on the other. This may result in greater geo-economic competition and alignment shifts, complicating regional cooperation on issues like terrorism, trade, and climate. Fourth, challenges to SAARC and regional integration. SAARC, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, is already weakened, and China's involvement in regional infrastructure outside SAARC frameworks may further marginalize it. Countries may increasingly look to China for investment, sidelining India's leadership in South Asia. The extension of CPEC into Afghanistan is more than just an economic move. It is a strategic shift that tilts the regional balance of power towards China and Pakistan, challenging India's geopolitical interests. For India, this development greatest strategic caution. diplomatic engagement, and acceleration of its own infrastructure and trade initiatives to maintain influence in its neighborhood.